Hey everybody, it's Tom again. We're gonna do a video on a friend of mine's Mustang. He's had this Mustang for years, and it's went through several phases of being restored. This is a long time project, and you know how long time projects are. You want everything to be perfect, but yeah, money constraints and things. So it took a long time, because he's raising family and all that stuff. So I hope everybody likes this one. He's a cool guy, and he has a YouTube channel, Timmy Lou. If you want to check that one out, it's kind of a adventure fishing channel. I've watched it. I like some of it. He's a good long time friend, and this car's been a long time build, and let's go ahead and watch this one. We're going to start it right now. friend's Tim's Mustang. I hope you love it. It's a cool car. It's driven all the time. He spent years putting this together, and it's nice seeing somebody finish a project that he really loves, and it is a really good thing and everything. We'll share, like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. And if you have a project, you'll see how it makes you feel. It's a good feeling. I love it. I love these stories every time I see them. We'll catch you on the next one. Bow ties and rice. Thank you, everybody.